我们来看一下这道题 ，Dorsal bursae collide. The initial thud comes from when those dorsal bursae collide, and the reverberation results from the vibrations that linger when the tissues pull apart. But third, the younger says, the bursae have to be somewhat sticky with the clapping together and snapping apart to produce a noise with the correct loudness and pitch. That stickiness comes courtesy of the mucus. 第一部分，整篇文章有一些单词比较复杂，对吧？没有见过，可能比较 academic。不过没有关系，我们可以猜一猜。The initial thud, OK， 砰的声音，我们叫 thud. The initial thud comes from when those dorsal bursae collide. Dorsal 什么意思呢？动物的背部 ，OK。bursae 可以说一种滑囊。bursae collide， 其实这两个单词看似非常的复杂，但是也可以猜出来，对不对？ Dorsal bursae collide. And the reverberation results from the vibrations that linger when the tissues pull apart. Linger, OK， 可以理解为继续存在、继续留有。OK， 我们来连起来读一下。The initial thud comes from when those dorsal bursae collide, and the reverberation results from the vibrations that linger when the tissues pull apart. 这块断句还是比较清楚，对不对？发音这块看呢就一个 and 这个 and 我们可以留意一下，其他呢都比较容易。That 前面停顿 ，That's it. OK, pretty easy this one. 好，我们看第二部分。But third 这个单词呢，我们念 third， 我们可以猜一猜，对不对？比如说把这个 th 改成 m，m-o-d-e 念什么 ？mode 对不对 ？mode 把 m 改成 th，mode 就变成了 third。But third, the younger says, but third, but 这个 t 注意 ，OK， 不要读成 but 是错的。But third, the younger says, the bursae have to be somewhat sticky for the clapping together.OK， 比较长，我们在 and 前面断句 clapping together and snapping apart to produce a noise with the correct loudness and pitch. 这个 and 不能停 loudness and pitch 放到一起。That 这个 t 注意 OK， that stickiness comes courtesy of the mucus. 这个 mucus 什么意思呢？人体的粘液。OK， 整篇文章呢，非常的学术，但我觉得可以把它理解为纸老虎，因为有些单词呢看似非常的复杂，没有见过，不知道什么意思。其实呢，猜的话呢，也不会说有非常大的区别。Pronunciation 在不理想的情况下呢，可能会有一点分数，可能会丢掉。但是整体的这个流利度呢，我们还是不应该受影响。Alright， 我们把这一部分再读一下。But third, the younger says the bursae have to be somewhat sticky for the clapping together and snapping apart to produce a noise with the correct loudness and pitch. That stickiness comes courtesy of the mucus. 好，我们连起来读一下。The initial thud comes from when those dorsal bursae collide, and the reverberation results from the vibrations that linger when the tissues pull apart. But third, the younger says, the bursae have to be somewhat sticky for the clapping together and snapping apart to produce a noise with the correct loudness and pitch. That stickiness comes courtesy of the mucus. All right, thank you guys.